Hello dear students, so today we are going to start our next emperor from chapter number 5, Importance Monarch of India. So open your text page number 280. Okay, so today we are going to study about Emperor Ashoka. I think all of you know about the Emperor Ashoka. He was very powerful emperor. Okay, so Ashoka was one of the most powerful rulers in Indian history. So Emperor Ashoka was the uh, Emperor Ashoka was one of the most powerful emperor in Indian history. He succeeded his father Bindusara in 273 BCE. So who was the father of Emperor Ashoka? So Bindusara was the father of Emperor Ashoka, and after Bindusara, Ashoka was become a emperor in 273 BCE. So the working year of Emperor Ashoka was 273 BCE. Right from his childhood, he showed promise in all areas of warfare as well as academics. Means from childhood he was very intelligent. So he showed all activities in warfare as well as in the academics. Emperor Ashoka's empire covered most of India, South Asia, and beyond. And when Ashoka was emperor, then his empire was covered most of India, South Asia and beyond. Okay, means पूरे एशिया में उनका एम्पायर था. ओके, पूरे एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट मीन्स लाइक ऑल ओवर इंडिया, साउथ एशिया एंड उसके आगे भी उनका एम्पायर था. तो उन्होंने कब तक काम किया? अशोका एम्पर ने 273 टू 232 BCE. उनके आफ्टर हिज फादर ही बिकेम अ किंग और एम्पर ऑफ इंडिया. सो बट after Kalinga war, the life of Emperor Ashoka was changed. The life of Ashoka was changed after Kalinga war. So let's see the story of that Kalinga war. Ashoka invaded Kalinga, now Odisha, to annex it to his empire. Means invaded means what? Attack. So Ashoka decided to attack on Kalinga. Kalinga means nowadays Odisha, the state Odisha. So to annex it to his empire means he decided to attack on the Kalinga to attach, or annex means attach, to attach Kalinga to his empire. Okay, to his empire. Kalinga war changed him completely. But after when Kalinga war was happened, life of Emperor Ashoka was completely changed, because he was hunted by the scenes of the Kalinga war, in which the whole province was destroyed and thousands were killed. Then what happened when Ashoka attacked on the or invaded on the Kalinga? Kalinga means the old name of a Odisha state. The Kalinga means the old name of a Odisha state. तो ओडिशा जो स्टेट है उसका पुराना नाम क्या था? कलिंगा. Okay, so then when Ashoka attacked on the Kalinga, then that time the war he was means there was a war was happened, and that war destroyed thousands people. The Ashoka Emperor's army killed all the people from the Kalinga, and everywhere only blood is there. So, and many peoples were killed in that war. Okay, so this was the turning point in his life when Emperor Ashoka saw that many people killed in the war. He felt very guilty. The Ashoka Emperor felt very guilty, because everywhere only blood is there. So he was felt guilty. So he the and when the Emperor Ashoka saw that scene, then this was the turning point of his life. तो उन्होंने क्या देखा कि पूरे जो जब वॉर हुआ था तभी सब आर्मी के जो लोग थे, आर्मीज थे उनके और कलिंगा के, तो वो पूरे मर गए थे और सब जगह क्या हुआ था, ब्लड था। तो उन्हें वो जब उन्होंने वो देखा तो वो खुद को गिल्टी फील करने लगे। सो फ्रॉम एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ही Emperor Ashoka decided to stop the war. He decided to give up. He decided to give up. Okay. So from a power hungry emperor, he turned into a follower of Buddhism and gave up violence completely. Okay. So when he saw all the people were killed in that war, so he decided to give up a emperorship, and he turned into a फॉलोअर ऑफ बुद्धिज़्म एंड गिव अप वायलेंस कम्प्लीटली। तो उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया कि मैं अभी जो किंग हूँ वो मैं सब छोड़ दूँगा, और वो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने बुद्धिज़्म जो एक रिलीजन है बुद्धा, ओके, बुद्धिस्ट रिलीजन है, वो उन्होंने फॉलो की, और उन्होंने जो वायलेंस था वो भी कम्प्लीटली ही गेव अप। So means because of that war, Kalinga war, the life of Emperor Ashoka was completely changed. Means from king he became a follower of Buddhism. Means जब वो किंग थे और जब उन्होंने वो पूरा वॉर देखा, वॉर में इतने आदमी, इतने लोग मरे हुए उन्होंने देखे, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं जो किंग हूँ वो मैं किंग का सब है जो वो छोड़ दूँगा, और उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया कि मैं अभी एक कॉमन पीपल बनूँगा, क्योंकि मुझे ये वायलेंस नहीं चाहिए। वायलेंस मीन्स व्हाट, to kill another person or any person. Violence means to kill another person or animal or bird, any human being. Okay, so उन्होंने वो सब छोड़ दिया। वो उन्होंने राजा जो किंग का जो मीन्स वो हेड जो किंग थे वो सब उन्होंने छोड़ दिया, और ही बिकेम अ कॉमन पीपल। ओके, सो then other achievements of the Samrat or Emperor Ashoka a wise, and then after this war Emperor Ashoka became a wise and a kind ruler। वो क्या बने, वो एक अच्छे आदमी बने। Then he undertook धर्मयात्रास और टूर instructing people about धर्मा। तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने बुद्धिस्ट जो धर्म और जो रिलीजन है वो फॉलो किया। तो उन्होंने बाद में क्या किया, व्हाट ही डिड, दे अंडरटुक धर्मयात्रा और टूर्स। तो उन्होंने सब लोगों के लिए टूर्स या धर्मयात्रा, जो लोग धर्मयात्रा पे जाना चाहते हैं उनको धर्मयात्रा पे जाने के लिए उन्होंने हेल्प की। ही अपॉइंटेड ऑफिसर्स कॉल्ड धर्म महामंत्रस टू स्प्रेड धर्मा एंड look after people's welfare. After this, he followed the Buddhist religion, and then he decided to look after people's welfare। उन्होंने क्या किया, बुद्धिस्ट रिलीजन लिया, बुद्धिस्ट रिलीजन में खुद को मीन्स वो फॉलो की, एंड देन ही डिसाइडेड टू लुक आफ्टर पीपल्स, जो मतलब जो पीपल है उनका अच्छा करने का उन्होंने सोचा। ही एनकरेज एजुकेशन, इंट्रोड्यूस्ड मोर इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज, planted trees along roads and built inns and rest houses for travelers। So what he then did, then he encouraged education। उन्होंने एजुकेशन में डेवलपिंग की। then he introduced more irrigation facilities। उन्होंने जहाँ पे पानी नहीं है वहाँ पे पानी की फैसिलिटीज़ की। He planted many trees along the roads, built and then he built inns and rest houses for the travelers। जो travelers दूसरे कंट्रीज या स्टेट्स से आते थे उनके लिए उन्होंने inns या rest houses भी built up किए। So to spread Buddhism, Ashoka had messages or edicts inscribed on pillars in Prakrit। Then he decided to spread Buddhism in all over the country। So he traveled all over the country, and he write the message on the pillars in a Prakrit language, like a Sanskrit, like a Hindi, like English, Marathi. Prakrit is also one type of a language. Okay, so he write message about the Buddhism in a Prakrit, the common language of the people. And that time Prakrit was the common language of the people. Nowadays we have many language like Marathi, Hindi, English, but that time, in that time, people are only they are using only Prakrit language, and that is their common language. Ashoka also sent missionaries of to China, Tibet, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, Burma, Egypt, and Greece to spread Buddhism. And then after these, Ashoka also sent missionaries, means other peoples, to spread Buddhism in whole over the world. So he sent missionaries to China, Tibet, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, Burma, Egypt, and Greece. He built many stupas such as the Santi Stupa and Viharas for followers of Buddhism. Means like we have our church, then mandi means temple, and the masjid. Like this way, Buddhists have their vihars. So Ashoka also built many vihars and stupas for the followers of the Buddhism. Means जो बुद्धिज़्म को फॉलो करते हैं, जो पीपल बुद्धिज़्म को फॉलो करते हैं, उनके लिए अशोका ने विहार एंड द स्तूपास बिल्टअप किए. Then Ashoka died in 232 BCE. Ashoka died in 232 BCE as his successor were weak. The more means as a successor were weak means as a king he was very weak, but as a common people he was very successor. Okay, so then the Mauryan Empire broke up into small kingdoms. Okay, then student, after Ashoka, which monarchy is there? Mauryan empires was there. So student, this is all about the Ashoka emperor. Means Ashoka emperor was a very powerful emperor. Ashoka emperor is very powerful emperor, and and also a very wise and a kind ruler. And like that also he was a very wise and a kind ruler. Always he think about the people's welfare. So, and because of this, the Ashoka, the only emperor Ashoka, he decided to give up the king position, and then he started to live as like a common people. So student, this is whole about the Emperor Ashoka, and in next video we will learn about the Gupta dynasty. Okay students, thank you and complete your homework.